Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Klook. So let me take you to their website, which is klook.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Klook is a travel and activity booking platform that lets users discover and reserve tours, attractions, transportation, and local experiences worldwide. Founded in 2014, it offers everything from theme park tickets to cultural activities, often at discounted rates. Klook partners with local providers to offer curated experiences in both popular and hidden destinations. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and get yourself a destination ticket or activity ticket that you like. But we are not here for that. As usual, we are here to earn money from the brand. How do we do that? We simply have to join the affiliate program of Klook, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we will end up getting commission. So, affiliate from which country can join their affiliate program? No restriction found. So, regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you would be able to apply to them and you can get approval. You can start promoting them. And to the consumers of which country can you promote Klook in order to receive commission? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So, wherever Klook is available and they provide services in, you would be able to promote to the consumer of that country. So, how do you join the affiliate program of Klook? For that, let me take you to the website called Travel Payouts. Now, what is Travel Payouts and what does it have to do with Klook? So, Travel Payouts is one of the top travel related affiliate marketing network out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing networks work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, you have to join Travel Payouts in order to apply to Klook's affiliate program. So you can come to the website. I have mentioned the link in the video description. Once you're here on the website, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your details and complete the sign up. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved while registering yourself with any affiliate network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Travel Payouts affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description for this as well. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free Travel Payouts affiliate account. Once you've gotten the account, you can come to the website once again, click on login, which will take you to the login page. Over here, enter your credentials, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands, but the focus of our video is only Klook. So to find the affiliate program of Klook, you can click on programs and you can click on all, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can search for Klook by typing in the name, and then you would be able to see the tile in here. So you can click on the tile, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Klook. Once here, you would be able to see the commission rate. So it's between 2 to 5%. And if you want to see more about this commission rate, you can scroll down and you will see the bifurcation in here. So 5% per sale of product from all categories except special activities category. 2% from the special activities category. So you can click here to see the list of special categories, and 5% sell for travel insurance. The orders from the excluded activities and food and dining category are not rewarded. So this is how you will receive the commission rate. You just should have a better understanding of the commission rate so that you can start promoting only those products or only those activities that will bring commission to you. And then let's scroll up and try to see more details. So there are program details available. You can read this for better understanding. So make sure that your project meets the requirement for the affiliate program. Now, Travel Payouts call online presence as projects. So what they're trying to say, before you even apply to the affiliate program, you should contain travel related content on your online presence. It is at least 2 months old, is regularly updated, and contains up-to-date information. Allows you to organically integrate affiliate links into your content. Does not contain offensive content, viruses, or any other negative content, and does not call for illegal actions. And if you scroll down, you can see the payout process. The reward platforms, you would be able to earn commission if you're bringing sales to them on the desktop version of the website, through mobile version of the website, as well as through app. And if you scroll down here, you will see the languages available. Target countries are worldwide. As we discussed, you can bring sales to them from anywhere around the globe. And if you scroll down, you can see which kind of publishers are best suited and can apply to the affiliate program. So as a content creator, you can apply to the affiliate program so long as you have a website and a social media account. So website is a prerequisite here. Then cashback service affiliate as well can apply. And then coupon or promo codes website owners can also apply. So website is compulsory query here, social media, you can try and see if you can still apply and get the approval. And paid search, they do not allow. So let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. For that, you can simply click on connect to program. And then from here, you can select your project for which you want to apply to them. So in my case, let's say I want to apply for this project or online presence of mine. I can click on request to connect. Same way, you can also click on request to connect and click on all good. And then it will send your application to the affiliate program team of Klook. They will see whether you could fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval within 2 business days. Right. So in between, if you ever want to reach out to them, or even afterward, if you want to reach out to them, you can always click on ask a question and initiate a message. Right. So you've waited for 2 business days and you have been approved. Now what? Now you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again, and this time click on connected, and you would be able to see them here as approved. Once you have been approved, then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create tracking link? For that, you can click on home. It will take you to the home page. And over here, you can click on create link. And from here, you can select your project. You can select the program. So it should be Klook. In my case, I'm here to receive approval from Klook. So I'm just going to go with YesM for now. And then you can put your tracking link. So let's say you wanted to create a tracking link for their homepage. You're going to copy this. You can paste it in here within links, and what it will do, it will create a tracking link for you in here. But since I am trying to create a link for Klook using the program called YesM, and that's why it didn't work for me. In your case, assuming you select Klook from here and you enter Klook's link in here, it will create a tracking link for you. Let's say you don't want to create your tracking link, but you want to use available tracking links or assets available. In that case, you can go to your connected programs once again. Over here, you can click on the tile of Klook, which will take you to the Klook affiliate program page once more. Over here, you can go to tools, links, and over here, you would be able to see the available links and assets which you can leverage to promote Klook on your website. You can also click on widget to see if they are providing any widget. You can also create your own widget, assuming you have been approved by them. Alright, so you learned how to create tracking link or how to get the available tracking links. Next question arises, where can you promote Klook? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Travel Payouts and as well as Klook, you can go ahead and promote Klook anywhere on your website. Maybe homepage, maybe category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience. Second way is blog. Blog could be great here because blog could allow you to write blog posts about different experiences, activities on Klook. You can also integrate some tracking link within those blog posts, and when people would read, they'll click on the link, they'll buy the activity, and you will end up receiving commission. Third way is travel and tourism website. Now, travel and tourism website are best suited here because people do come to these kind of websites to learn about different travel activities, correct? So assuming as an affiliate, you got a travel and tourism website, you can leverage that website to promote Klook. Maybe create a standalone section on your website, just call it activities. So when people would click on that section, they would be able to see different activities available on Klook. You would still have to take help from a web developer to integrate the activities and the links accordingly on that web page. So this is how you can promote Klook. There are many ways, but that's totally up to you how you end up promoting them. All right, so you started promoting them and you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to Travel Payouts affiliate dashboard once again, and this time click on reports. Within reports, you can click on performance, and over here you would be able to see your performance. Just ensure you're selecting the filters here accordingly. And then you can also click on bookings to see your sales that you have generated so far. Whatever commission that has been accumulated, you would be able to see on the top left hand side in here. And to receive this commission, ensure you update your payment method. And to update your payment method, you can click on finance and you can go to payout methods. Over here, you can start by selecting your country of residence. Let's say I selected India. In your case, you can select your country of residence, and based on your country of residence, you will see different payment method available. For me, I got PayPal, web money, bank account. So you can choose your payment method that you like, and based on the payment method you'll choose, there's a minimum payout. That means Travel Payout will only be able to issue commission to you if your accumulated commission has surpassed the minimum payout value in here. So let's say you want to update your PayPal as a payment method. In that case, you can click on add for PayPal. Over here, you can select your country of residence, give full name, PayPal email address, and update your minimum payout if you prefer as well, and click on save. So this is how you can update your payment method. And once you've updated the payment method, the travel payouts will issue commission to you, and you would be able to see the history of all those payouts within payouts history under finance. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Klook. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Klook. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.